In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a PayPal transaction on a bank transfer in 2026. Whether you're new to PayPal or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so everything feels clear and straightforward. To begin, open your internet browser and go to the PayPal homepage. Simply type paypal.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it to start logging in. You'll now be asked to enter your login details. This includes your email or mobile number and your password. After entering your information, click the Login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, PayPal may ask you to verify your login. You might receive a text message or a WhatsApp code. Just follow the prompts to continue. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your PayPal account summary page. From here, click on the Activity tab. This section shows a detailed record of all your past and recent transactions, giving you a clear overview of your account activity. Now, locate the transaction you want to cancel. Keep in mind, you can only cancel a transaction if it's still pending. PayPal does not allow cancellations for completed transactions. Pending transactions are usually displayed at the top and clearly marked as pending. Once you find the pending transaction, click on it to open its details. A drop-down or a separate window will appear showing all available options for that transaction. If it's eligible for cancellation, you'll see an option to cancel. Select it, and PayPal will ask you to confirm your choice. Be sure to read any information provided before confirming, just to make sure this is the action you want to take. Once you confirm, you're done. Canceling a pending PayPal transaction is simple when you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't worry. The PayPal Help Center is a great resource for additional support and clarification. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials just like this.